What up, guys? I wasn't planning on filming a video today, but I was on my way to work. I couldn't even get 5 minutes past my house, and I can't believe what just happened. So I was driving, and all of a sudden something went under my car, and it just, luckily it didn't have any major damages, but it caused some damages I need to fix now. So I'm gonna show you what type of damage it did cause. Hopefully this can get fixed. I'm gonna have to file a report, but everything happens, everything's all right, nothing really major happened. But I'm gonna show you what the damages happened at. So right here is the damage that happened, the first damage. Like this is completely out. It's ridiculous. I don't know what it was in the road. I have no clue, but that's not the only damage it caused. So something's been leaking. And look what it is. And I found where it is leaking at, right here. You see this? That is gone. Now, when I hit it, I didn't know it caused much damage, but look, it pushed this out. At the same time, my radiator down there, my fans, has pushed out this one. See how this one's more flushed back? This one's pushed out. So what I'm gonna have to do is take the whole bumper off and see what other damages it caused. This is not a good day for me right now. I had to miss work for this. I usually don't want to miss work for anything, but if I just went to work and let this sit, my car won't ever turned on and something would have happened. So I'm gonna get this fixed ASAP, hopefully. So I'm gonna take the bumper off right now and find out what all really happened. I really don't know what was under my car when I drove on top of it. All I know, I was up in the air and I saw, oh my gosh. I first thought my oil leaking. Thank God that didn't happen. I thought something got cut in my exhaust. That didn't happen either. So luckily, hopefully just this right here, that's what I see with my eyes. But we're gonna go under the hood, take the bumper off and see what else. All right, so I really didn't do nothing else. I basically just left the bumper off. I have it right here. I left the bumper off. That's mainly it. That's mainly what else I did. But you can see it's still leaking. Yep, it's still leaking under there. I don't know how much coolant it's gonna leak, but it's gonna be a lot that leaks. And I'm gonna have to find a way to, I don't know, probably take the whole thing off because it's still leaking from somewhere. That's a big problem. I'm pretty sure it's another place where it's leaking at. I can't find the leak. I know this one is done, but it's not leaking there anymore. It got to be somewhere else that's leaking. Let me just put my hand down here. No, that's not leaking. You see how this is pushed back? Whatever I hit in the road, it pushed this side back, and that's why the fan is like actually on this pipe right here. I'm gonna get you guys a little update later on. Right now I'm about to go somewhere. So I do stop by AODHAN. I will ask if they have any of this in stock, like a radiator fan and a coolant system. But hopefully they do. If they don't, I just gotta go somewhere and order brand new parts. This is really a bad day. I really didn't plan on shooting anything, but just let you guys know that gotta keep going, trust the process. All things, you know, happen for a reason. I wish I could have dodged it, but it was too late. So hope you guys just bear with me and everything should be all right. Hit you guys up later on, all right? So I just filed a personal claim. Now I have to wait till somebody calls me. About 2 business days. And that's basically it. I just wait now the waiting game starts. Hopefully this little damage that happened, they try to total my car, and they're not getting my car. But you know, things happen, it's life. So just get up and keep on moving. But hopefully everything's okay. So I hit you guys up in another video, hopefully with some good news rather than some bad news. But this is all I'm going to say today. So I'll see you guys later. You know the saying, legit is out.